Choosing the right interior wall material is a big decision. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that feels like home. The walls you choose will be the canvas for your life, holding memories and setting the tone for your daily experiences. It's like picking the perfect outfit. Just as you would select clothing that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident, your walls should do the same for your living space. You want something that reflects your style and makes you feel good. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or a cozy, rustic vibe, the right wall material can make all the difference. But it also needs to be practical and functional. Consider the durability, maintenance, and even the acoustics of the material. Will it stand up to the wear and tear of daily life? Is it easy to clean? Does it help reduce noise? Walls are the backdrop of our lives. They hold our family photos, our artwork, and our memories. They are the silent witnesses to our joys, our sorrows, and everything in between. They frame our memories and set the stage for everyday moments. From the laughter of children playing to the quiet moments of reflection, the walls of our homes are always there, providing a sense of security and comfort. The materials we choose impact the look, feel, and even the sound of our homes. Different textures can create different moods, and the right material can enhance the overall ambiance of a room. Drywall and wood paneling are two popular options. Drywall is versatile and can be painted in any color, while wood paneling adds warmth and character. Each comes with its own set of pros and cons. Drywall is cost-effective and easy to install, but it can be prone to damage. Wood paneling, on the other hand, is durable and adds a touch of elegance, but it can be more expensive and requires more maintenance. Understanding these differences is key to making a choice that suits your needs and enhances your home's character. Take the time to research and consider all your options. Talk to professionals, visit showrooms, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Let's dive in and explore the world of drywall and wood paneling. We'll look at the installation process, the costs, and the long-term benefits of each option. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which material is the best fit for your home. Together, we'll find the perfect fit for your home. Whether you choose drywall or wood paneling, the most important thing is that it reflects your style and meets your needs. Your walls should be a source of pride and joy, a testament to the life you live within them. Drywall is a popular choice for interior walls. It's affordable and easy to install. This makes it a favorite for builders and homeowners alike. Drywall offers a smooth, blank canvas. It's perfect for various paint colors and wallpaper designs. This versatility allows you to easily change your style as your tastes evolve. However, drywall doesn't offer much in terms of insulation or soundproofing. It can also be prone to damage from moisture and impact. Overall, drywall is a practical and budget-friendly option. It's a great choice for those who love to refresh their interiors frequently. A wood paneling brings warmth and texture to a room. The natural grains and hues of the wood create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that is hard to replicate with other materials. Whether it's a rustic cabin or a modern home, wood paneling can seamlessly blend into various interior styles, adding a unique charm and character. Its natural beauty adds a touch of sophistication and character. The rich tones and intricate patterns of the wood can elevate the aesthetic appeal of any space, making it look more refined and elegant. Wood paneling can serve as a stunning backdrop for your furniture and decor, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your home. Unlike drywall's plain surface, wood paneling makes a statement. It can be used to create accent walls that draw the eye and add depth to a room. The texture and warmth of the wood can make a space feel more dynamic and interesting, providing a perfect balance between modern and traditional design elements. Wood is an excellent insulator. It helps to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, making it an energy-efficient choice. The natural insulating properties of wood can reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy bills and a more sustainable home. It helps regulate temperature and reduce energy costs. By maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, wood paneling can create a more comfortable living environment. Additionally, the use of wood as a building material is often more environmentally friendly compared to synthetic alternatives, as it is renewable and biodegradable. The acoustic properties of wood also absorb sound, creating a more peaceful environment. This makes wood paneling an excellent choice for rooms where you want to minimize noise, such as bedrooms, home offices, or media rooms. The natural sound-absorbing qualities of wood can enhance the acoustics of a space, making it feel more serene and tranquil. However, wood paneling requires more maintenance than drywall. It needs to be cleaned and treated regularly to prevent damage. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the surface, and without proper care, the wood can become scratched or discolored. Regular maintenance is essential to preserve the beauty and longevity of your wood paneling. It needs to be cleaned and treated regularly to prevent damage. Applying a protective finish can help to shield the wood from moisture and wear, ensuring that it remains in good condition for years to come. Regular inspections and touch-ups can also help to address any issues before they become major problems. It can also be more expensive to install. The cost of materials and labor for wood paneling can be higher compared to other wall coverings. However, the investment can be worthwhile, as wood paneling can add significant value to your home. The timeless appeal and durability of wood can make it a smart choice for those looking to enhance their living space. Wood paneling is a great option for those who appreciate natural materials. It brings a sense of the outdoors inside, creating a connection with nature that can be both calming and invigorating. The use of natural materials in home decor is a growing trend, as more people seek to create healthier and more sustainable living environments. It adds a timeless elegance that enhances the ambiance of any space. Whether you prefer a classic, traditional look or a more contemporary style, wood paneling can be adapted to suit your taste. Its versatility and enduring beauty make it a popular choice for homeowners and designers alike, offering a perfect blend of form and function. Durability is key when choosing wall materials. You want something that will look good for years to come. Drywall is relatively durable, but it can be easily dented or punctured. It's also susceptible to water damage, leading to costly repairs. Wood paneling, on the other hand, is very durable. It can withstand everyday wear and tear. However, wood is susceptible to scratches and dents. Both materials require proper care to maintain their beauty. Drywall needs to be protected from moisture and impact. Wood paneling needs regular cleaning and occasional refinishing. Aesthetics play a huge role in interior design. Your walls should reflect your personal style and complement your furnishings. Drywall offers a blank slate. You can paint it any color, apply wallpaper, or even add decorative molding. This versatility makes it easy to create any look you desire. Wood paneling brings its own inherent beauty. The natural grain and texture of wood add warmth and character. You can choose from a variety of wood species and finishes to match your style. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a cozy, rustic feel, both drywall and wood paneling offer options to suit your taste. Cost is always a consideration when making home improvements. Drywall is generally the more affordable option. It's readily available and easier to install, which reduces labor costs. Wood paneling can be more expensive. The cost varies depending on the type of wood, the finish, and the complexity of the installation. While drywall may seem like the budget-friendly winner, remember to factor in the long-term costs. Wood paneling, with its insulation benefits, can lead to energy savings over time. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in construction and design. We want materials that are good for our homes and the planet. Drywall is not the most environmentally friendly option. Its production requires a significant amount of energy and resources. It also generates a considerable amount of waste. Wood paneling can be a sustainable choice if sourced responsibly. Look for wood certified by the Forest Stewardship Council, or FSC. This ensures that the wood comes from well-managed forests. Consider the environmental impact when making your decision. Opt for sustainable materials whenever possible to reduce your ecological footprint. You don't have to choose just one. When it comes to designing or renovating your home, the choices can be overwhelming. But why limit yourself to just one type of wall material when you can blend the best of both worlds? Many homeowners are opting for a combination of drywall and wood paneling. This trend is gaining popularity for its ability to merge functionality with aesthetics seamlessly. This creates a balanced and visually appealing look. The smooth, clean lines of drywall complement the rich, textured appearance of wood paneling, resulting in a harmonious blend that enhances any room. Use drywall for most of your walls to keep costs down. Drywall is not only cost-effective, but also easy to install and maintain. It provides a neutral backdrop that can be painted or decorated to suit any style. Then, incorporate wood paneling as an accent wall or to highlight architectural features. Wood paneling adds a touch of elegance and warmth, making it perfect for creating focal points in your living spaces. This approach allows you to enjoy the benefits of both materials. You can achieve a modern, sleek look with drywall while adding character and coziness with wood paneling. You get the affordability and versatility of drywall with the warmth and character of wood. This combination not only enhances the visual appeal of your home, but also adds value and comfort. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs, style, and budget. Consulting with a professional designer can help you make informed decisions that align with your vision. Consider all the factors and choose the material that best suits your vision for your home. Whether you prefer the sleekness of drywall or the rustic charm of wood paneling, blending these materials can create a unique and inviting atmosphere that reflects your personal style.